Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and you're here at Brown and Confident. Today we are doing a video on navigating the first 6 months of your sister locks. I have been locked for a year. If you haven't seen my first video where I explain my consultation, my install, and my whole natural hair journey, go ahead and check that out on my channel after this video. But today we're getting into my first 6 months. If you're not following my blog, go ahead and head over to Brown and Confident. I have been writing about my plus size fashion experience and also my crown. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. If you're new to my channel, I got my install August 7th and 8th. I have 345 locks now. I have gained some. I did start out with 342. So during your first month of Sisterlocks, you will be in what's called the settling phase. Okay, you'll notice that your locks will appear thin and smaller, like mine did, y'all, looking like a plucked chicken. However, it only lasted maybe like a few weeks. Okay, during this time, I wore a lot of hats, a lot of scarves, bonnets. I didn't really go anywhere, y'all. And when I did, I wear a baseball cap. So you'll find ways to maneuver around your pluck chicken phase, but it does not last long. You may experience some unraveling ends. Perfectly normal. When you go in to see your loctician, she will fix those. What's very important is that you follow your consultant's advice. If they say don't shampoo your hair, don't do that. I ended up waiting to my first retie, which was at 4 weeks, and that was included in my Sisterlock price. So when I went in, she washed me and she did my first retie at 4 weeks, and y'all, I was so happy. My scalp was begging to be washed. That was during the first month. It went by so fast. So then we go to months 2 and 3. During your second and third month, your sister locks settle and become more defined. Your locks will start to thicken up and you will notice that some of the locks are fused together. Now, my hair did this a lot, marrying each other, like they stuck to each other a lot. But if you've been natural, you know all about that with your natural curls and stuff like that. Your locks will continue to do the same. However, you just want to make sure that you are running through your scalp, trying to separate them. I run my fingers through mine. I got long nails, which helps a lot. But also my loctician will tell me that she noticed that I'm not parting my scalp and going through my scalp, and she'll just do it for me. But other than that, if you can run through your scalp, I would do that. That would help your locks from not marrying each other. You may experience some itchiness and some scalp tenderness during this time. I know I did, y'all. My scalp was on fire, and that's why I'm saying you will love the wash. When it's time to wash your hair, you will love that. That was the best part. My reties necessarily wasn't the best part. That caused some of the scalp tenderness. Somebody lied. They said that reties didn't hurt. Yeah. We're going to get into that in some later videos. So just stay tuned. Make sure you are not putting product on your scalp. You're not putting a lot of oils on your scalp unless your loctician said that's fine. Just get with your loctician on all this, y'all. They are going to tell you what your hair and your scalp is calling for, and you want to go based off of that. Okay, so months 4 through 5. By the 4th and 5th month, your hair will start to take on a more mature look. Your locks will thicken up more and you will start to see some length. Okay, by my 4th retie, I was shocked at how long my hair had grew. It's crazy on how much your hair grows when you're not messing with it. Your hair will begin to take on a more wavy and curly pattern, and that also depends on your natural hair. Now, a lot of people was stopping me in Walmart and was like, hey, how'd you get your hair curly like that? And I'm like, literally, I just woke up like this. I don't know. Like, I'm not twisting it up at night. I'm not doing anything to it at night. I'm literally just with my bonnet on and I'm going to sleep. I don't know what it is about this phase, but definitely your curls pop way more than they did. And also, y'all, don't be wetting your hair, okay, to get it wet and wavy, okay? Just let it do what it's gonna do. it's best to just leave your hair alone. Keep your hands out of it, which I know is hard, and don't put no water or no products in it. Just let it alone, okay? By 6 months, your hair should have fully settled and took a way mature look. By 6 months, I was like, dang, they looking good. We're looking real good. By my 6 retie, I was fully happy with my hair. I mean, I was fully happy at my hair with a month, but fully happy at my hair at 6 months. It could have just stayed just like that, y'all. They will look thicker, they will look longer, and you'll have more styling options. Now, depending on how much hair you started with, I started off with 8 inches in the front and 10.5 inches in the back. So I did start off with a pretty good amount of hair, but by 6 months, we in the money, okay? We are in the money. So just make sure that you listen to your loctician and you moisturize if needed. You run your hands through your scalp if she's telling you that your locks are marrying a lot. You just kind of leave your hair alone, y'all. That is the quickest way to sum up my whole 6 months. It was very short. It went by so fast. I enjoyed every journey, every stage that my hair went through, and it was a beautiful thing to see, honestly, and not have to worry about my hair and detangle anymore or talk about products or byproducts. Like, it was just perfect for me. Just stay in the race. Your time is coming. Your hair will thicken up. For all my ladies with thin, fine hair, we do have hairstyles out there for us that we can grow our own natural hair, and this is definitely one. I wish you all the best, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. Go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel. We are on the road to getting 1,000. I believe we're going to be there pretty quick. I thank you guys for watching me and supporting me, and I'll see you back here at Brown and Confident. All right, bye.